Okay, I am driving, and it's been a few days since I picked up the car from the guy that helped me do the upholstery, and I was not happy with the results. As you can see, there's a lot of cleaning that needed to be done to everything underneath that panel before putting something else on it. So it's unsticking, it's bubbling, it's not looking very good. So I'm driving, and it is better than before because I could rest my arm, but there's this sense of uneasiness that I've been feeling, so I just decided to rip it off, and that's what it looks like right now, and I feel better. The guy that helped me didn't really charge me a lot, but I did end up getting what I paid for. So I thought it was too good to be true. Someone that's willing to help me reupholster my car for such a low price. And yeah, this is what I got. Well, here I am again, still trying to make this car look better. As I explained before, I teared away what the guy that did the upholstery had done for me. He said that there was no way that it was gonna unstick, but this is, a few days later, it's all ugly and off again. Fortunately for me, he did do a really good job on this top parts. I forget that the name is escaping my mind right now, but he reupholstered the top, and while other people were charging for just for the top was more than what he charged me for the top and for the doors. It is a little bit inconvenient, but it's prompting me, it's making me want to try this on my own. So I've been looking into reupholstering the car on my own, and little by little, that's what I'm going to try to do. So the first thing is to take the panels off. I think I'm going to start with the back ones, just in case I don't do such a good job. You start by taking this part off. That's what I did on this side. So once you take the cap off, there's some screws that you have to pull out, and once it's unscrewed, you're just gonna pull this thing out. Yeah, I mean, it's not a very good job. Look at this. I'm just gonna tear this out. It's ugly and unnecessary. So what I'm going to do is take off the entire panel of the door. I have to clean this. I have to get rid of all this glue. To take off the entire panel of the door, there are some screws that I have to take off right here at the bottom. Let's see if I can find them right there. There's one. There's another one over here. Well, I was able to take it off. I did not show in the video yet how to unhook this part. This is the part that opens the door. There's some cables here to power the lock. It wasn't too difficult, but now I have to take this styrofoam off because I need to pull this part out. That's what I have to clean to upholster. Alright, let's do this. Okay, that was not easy to do. This was not very fun. Okay, for this next step, which is cleaning this panel, I am going to use paint thinner and lightly work to get rid of that goo and fabric that's stuck to it. It is highly toxic, so I picked up these. I'm not sure if they're effective, but they're way better than a fabric mask. Okay, this is what I picked up in order to clean this. Mask. latex gloves, a sponge sander, some fabric, and a paint thinner. I am really not sure if this is what I needed, but this is one I'm going to work with, and I'll see how it goes. Let's begin. Okay, here's what I have. It took me about 2 hours and a half to do the 2 panels for the back doors. I went back to the car and took off the other one from the back seats, and this was extremely difficult. I gotta say that using thinner did not help. The second one I did, the other one, but actually this is the second one, I did not use thinner on it. The thinner kind of moistened the glue too much, and it was getting stuck everywhere and smearing on the spatula. Use the spatula to strip it, and on certain areas I used a screwdriver. And this is what it looks like after the spray paint. I used this Rust-Oleum high heat to restore metals and pieces of wood. This is carton, but all I'm trying to do is to make it not sticky, to make the surface where new glue will stick to it. Now, this is the first time I'm trying. I'm just guessing that this will work. I'm not saying that it will work, so I'll find out pretty soon. I think it looks pretty nice. Oh, nice. Here we have 3 of the doors finished. That's the third. I think it looks really nice. Almost finished. I'm gonna try to put them back into the doors. There we go. Moment of truth.